Hi and welcome to a new episode in the style of Ansel Adams. Well, I'm not out in Yosemite National Park. I'm in the subway at the moment. Okay, day one. What a disaster. It's just not right. Doesn't work. And I've had to forward wind through this because, quite frankly, I don't want to inflict you with it. So let's move on now to day two. Well, welcome to day two. On the search for Ansel Adams style. Well, I've come out, I've pre-visualised, I've framed the shots, I've thought about the foreground, thought about the background, shot around about f8 because you're trying to get that sort of sharpness all the way through from front to back. I've done all of those things. Did I achieve what I thought I might achieve from it? Probably not. So, this is what I wanted to do. I want to take my SL, get an adapter and put this little baby on. I think it was when I did my video on Ansel Adams that it really sort of struck home that the 35 modern lens that I had, which was the Sigma DG-DN, great lens, don't get me wrong, fantastic lens. And who am I to sort of make that sort of idea that maybe it's not so good, but it was just very modern look, very modern sort of feel to it. And I just felt it was just wrong. It just wasn't working for me. It's bloody stuck. Can't move.